Hello, my name is Ezzat by Ahmad Nizam. I would like to present my lab activity 1. So here is the running output after we have done the coding. So here you can see that in the biodata we have name, birthday, address, hobby and favorite food. So for each one of these line we can input our own text. So for example, I will input one by one. As you can see that we are able to input our text for each of one of the input line. So here you can see name. I have already input my name, birthday, address, hobby and favorite food. So now we will move on to the coding. So first here you can see that this is the coding for the title, which is my biodata, and then this is the coding for the name, the text view for the name. So this part. So here I constrain it to the all of this view so that it will not be moving around so much. And then for the text input, I'm using edit text, so I'm using just a regular text person, and then there's a hint of enter your name. So next is birthday, like the same as name. I use text view to put a label, and then using text birthday, and then I also constrain it to the whole layout to make sure that it will not be moving around so much. So next, for the input on birthday, I'm using edit text, but different from before. For the input type, I'm using date as the input type. So you can only input it digit in it as like a date, like a real date. So next is address. For the label, I use the same as before, and I constrain it to the layout, the overall layout. So next, for address input, I'm using edit tag also, but the different input type, which is text multi-line. So text multi-line enable me to input multiple line in this input section. So next is hobby. So for level, I use the same and also constrain it to the overall layout. And for input, I just use the regular input types. And then next, for favorite food, the same as before, and then I constrain it to the overall layout. And then for the input, I use the regular input types. So that's all. Thank you.